In this video, we'll show you how to install roof rack crossbars on a Lexus GX 460. Let's get started. Place the roof rack on top of your vehicle. Position the bracket in the designated mounting area. Begin tightening the bolts to secure the connection. Alternate between both sides until they are snug. Tighten the yellow knob to secure the aluminum bars to the head units. Hold and shake the aluminum bars to ensure they are securely installed. Insert the key and lock the end caps back into place. The installation is now complete. The roof rack provides plenty of clearance above the vehicle and is ready for a cargo box or other compatible roof accessories. Thank you for watching and enjoy your next adventure.